Hey everyone, continuing with my car trip recommendations. This is the Kaleidoscope Coloring Totally Tropical and a color coloring kit. Love this for the car. It comes with markers and with the coloring book attached. This is great for the car because things won't fall on the floor. And the coloring pages are for older kids, I would say, even adults. Here's an example of one that my daughter did that I think is actually extra beautiful. That took a really long time. They have sloth pictures, which are cute. They have some sea life, some birds, just a really, really fun book. I like that it's nice and compact and everything is all together, nice and hard, so it's easier to color on in the car. Highly recommend.